माय गॉड की कसम।
So hello everyone, welcome to our React series for beginners. So today we are going to learn about conditional rendering in React. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So let's understand conditional rendering. Conditional rendering allows us to render different UI elements based on certain conditions. So इसको हम एक example से समझते हैं. So let's open Figma website. So as we can see, we are not logged in right now. So we can see this sign up box in front of us. But if we are logged in, we cannot see this sign up box right now. And that's because of conditional rendering. So conditional rendering करने के बहुत सारे methods होते हैं, like using if else like this or using ternary operator like this. So let's first understand if else method by doing some code work. So let's open a fresh React project and create app component and import it in main.jsx and render it like this. So सबसे पहले हम एक कंपोनेंट बनाएंगे greeting जो हमें greet करेगा welcome if we are logged in and if we are logged out it will show please log in. So let's create a new file greeting.jsx and write export function greeting जो कि एक boolean prop लेगा as a input is logged in. So because is logged in is boolean, so it will be either true or false. So if is logged in is true, then render or return a message welcome back. And if is logged in is false, then return a message please log in. So if you don't know, this statement is same as writing is equal to true. So if this is true, then return welcome back, otherwise return please log in. So let's render this in app component and give value of this prop. So write import greeting and then we will write greeting is logged in and give its value true. So let's open it in our browser. So write npm run dev. So as we can see welcome back is printed. So now if we pass the value of is logged in as false, now it's showing please log in. So now let's understand ternary operator. So instead of this, we will return a message welcome back. But wait, we have to put a condition. So the syntax for ternary operator is so if is logged in is true, then print welcome back, else print please log in. So now as we can see it's still working the same. So if you ask which one is better, so I think ternary operator is much better because we have to write less code and less code means less complexity. So now instead of using this prop as a condition, let's create our own state. So above the return, let's write const is logged in, then set logged in, which will set true or false value for is logged in, then is equal to use state, which will be imported from React module, and give initial value as false because first time हम logged out रहते हैं. So अब हम दो buttons बनाएंगे जो is logged in की value को true और false set करेगा. So let's write the code. So if is logged in is true, then render a button with the name log out. And if it is false, then render a button with the name log in. And जब हम इस बटन को क्लिक करेंगे, then a function will be called which will set value of is logged in as true. And do the same for log out button, and it will set is login to false. So in the very start is logged in false रहेगा, यानी else statement print होगा, and also because it's false only login button render होगा. And as soon as we click this login button, it will set is logged in to true. And as I told you, state update होते ही पूरा component re-render होता है. That means this time welcome back message print होगा as it is true now. And also this time logout button render होगा. And if we click this, it will repeat the process. So let's open our browser. So as we can see, this is working fine. So I hope आपको ternary operator का use करना आ गया होगा. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. So see you soon in the next video. तब तक के लिए goodbye.